In this video, we will learn how to use Dmax function in Excel sheet. So let's start this Excel sheet. I have here some data. So I'm going to calculate here Dmax quantity means maximum number of quantity of keyboard. So I'm using here Dmax function. Just enter a Dmax, tap it, select the full database, comma, field is a quantity heading selected here, comma, criteria is the item, bracket close. Here's the keyboard max quantity is 21. Here if you want to check, just check is a keyboard 20, keyboard sorry keyboard 20, keyboard 14, keyboard 10 and keyboard 21 is a maximum number of quantity 21. So this here I'm using only one criteria. Now I'm showing you the by using the two criteria to calculate the Dmax quantity. So I just select enter here Dmax function, select the full database, comma, field is a quantity, heading only, and criteria is item and company name, both is selected. Bracket close. Now I'm enter here mouse. 25 is a total quantity, total max value. Here you can see in all quantity total sorry maximum amount is a 25. So when I enter here mouse and enter here company name ABC XYZ, then quantity will change. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.